Welcome to JH. Today, we're diving into the world of funded next coupon codes, because apparently, everyone loves a bargain while they're chasing that prop firm dream. These latest codes are offering up to 50 or 55% off challenges and accounts, which is a decent discount for anyone who hasn't already blown their budget on coffee and trading charts. You can find the most reliable ones on sites like vtrif.com, assuming you have the patience to click through a dozen pop-ups. Among the heavy hitters, we have Thrift FT for a modest 5% off futures challenges. Try not to get too excited by that massive windfall. If you're feeling bolder, Thrift 18 offers a 120% reward on CFD challenges, while the NTA ARMIF code claims to slash prices by a full 50%. It's nice of them to make failing your evaluation half as expensive as usual. We also have RefCU3HW9 for a 5% flash sale and WChamp for another 5% off, just in case you really enjoy typing in long strings of nonsense for the price of a cheap sandwich. To put these to work, simply copy the code of your choice and head over to fundednext.com. Select your challenge or account type, find the promo code box at checkout, and paste it in. It's a straightforward process, almost as simple as the market logic you'll inevitably ignore 10 minutes after your account goes live. Good luck out there. You're probably going to need it.